Hello! In this video I will show you how to install RAR application on HUAWEI MatePad 12X. So you have to start by opening your app gallery, then click on search bar and type in RAR. Now click search and then click install. Then click allow and click install. Now you can click open, and now you have to allow this app to manage your files, so select RAR and then click here to allow this app to manage your files. Now you can click back and click back again, and as you can see my app is now installed and it's ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.